This is how to set the clock, the time and the date on a 2015 Vauxhall Zafira. Anything as long as it's got this kind of dash should be all the same, so fairly straightforward, although a few extra buttons. Turn the ignition on, turn the parking sensors off so we can hear what we're doing. Right, so I'm going to use config. Sorry, turn the radio on. Going to use config, and that brings up the menu. Then we're going to use the dial and the button in the middle. So turn right, down to time and date, press the button, set the time, press the button, and you can change the hours. 24 hour, so that, and then you can go left and right to go up and down. Set, and then down one, set the date, enter for each one of the there we go, enter it again, and there you have it. 24 hour, you can do 12 or 24 just by pressing enter. It changes it automatically. Day, month, year, same again, changes it all around. And then RDS off, well, if you turn that on, every time you turn your radio on, it'll check that it's the right time. So that's about it. Cycle the ignition, or turn the radio off, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.